boys and girls. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I beat the announcements. So in case you hear the announcements, okay. So in math, we are talking about counting. And just like how we used the frogs and that little picture that I sent home in the packet, we are going to be making our own today. So I used flowers on in some grass. So you're going to be drawing some flowers and some grass and draw the sun. And then I drew 6 butterflies. Okay. Now I drew 2 of each color, just an oval in the middle. Oh, that's upside down. And then an M on either side. And then 2 antennas. Okay. That's how I drew my butterflies. So now we're going to talk about what you're going to be doing today with your picture and your butterflies. You're going to be practicing making some stories. Now, it's really fun to get caught up in all the stuff about we're going to name the butterflies and all this, but we want to make sure that we keep our focus and keep our job. Our job is to learn how to put things together and take things apart. Okay? Just putting them together is called addition. Can you say it? Addition. Say put together, and take away is pulling it apart. That's subtraction. Subtraction. Okay. I'm going to practice and I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing. Okay. So let me see if I can pull my computer a little bit closer. I have a lot of stuff on my table here. Ah. Okay. Come to me, computer. It's a little better. Maybe I can scoot in. There we go. Between the 2 of these things, we'll get it. Okay. Here's our picture. Now I'm going to start by telling my little story. So once upon a time, there was a little. I knew it. I knew it.
Hi, Mr. Team. Can I get Ms. Moreno and Ms. Pampa to the front office? Thank you.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a cute little pink ladybug, butterfly, and the butterfly went to the flower. And then another little butterfly came along and joined him. And they decided to sit on the flower together. So now, how many butterflies are sitting on the flower? There was one, and then one more joined him. Now, how many are there? 2 butterflies. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So, tell another story. Once upon a time, there was a cute little purple butterfly. His name was George. George he liked to sit on the grass. He was just a funny little butterfly. So he would go and sit on the grass. And you know what happened? All of a sudden, his little friend, Bernaya, came over and she said, "Hey, George, can I come over and sit on the grass with you?" George is like, "Sure, you can come hang out with me." So now how many butterflies are on the grass? Bernaya and George, there's 2. Well, then another butterfly. There were 2. And then another one came along. And this one's name is Daryl. Here's Daryl and Bernaya and George. So two butterflies plus 1 more butterfly is how many? 3 butterflies. Yeah. So that's what you're doing today. I want you to practice, and then we can practice saying, okay, so there's Bernaya and there's George, and Daryl is there with them. Here's Daryl. But you know what? Bernaya said, "Oh, I have to go home, guys, because my mom is calling me. I gotta go. Bye, George. Bye, Daryl. Bye, Bernaya." And so Bernaya had to fly away home. So there were 3, and then 1 flew away. So how many are there now? 3, take away 1. How many are left? 2. Good job. 2 little butterflies. And then, you know what? Daryl, he heard his grandma saying, "Daryl, come over here. You need to come inside. So what did Daryl do? Daryl was a good little butterfly. He went inside and he went over to his grandma. But he said, "Hey, George, I'll check you later. I got to go." So little Daryl the butterfly had to leave and George was there. So there was two. Take away one. How many are left? One. Good job. Now let's see. Once upon a time, there was a little butterfly who liked to land on an orange flower. And her name was Unity. And Unity had a little friend, and her little friend was Jenica. And Jenica came over and said, "Hey, Unity, can I come over and sit on the orange flower with you?" And Jenica was like, "Peace." And Unity said, "Okay." And so 1 plus 1, we add another one to it. How many are there now? 2. There are 2 butterflies. Okay, so there's Unity and Jenica sitting on the orange flower. And then Sophia, the little purple butterfly, said, "Hey, girls, I want to come too. Can I come with you?" "Sure, come on." So there's Jenica, Unity, and Sophia. So 2 plus 1 is how many? How many are there? 3. Good job. Okay, so all of a sudden, Jenica and Sophia said, "We gotta go. We forgot. We gotta go to school today. Bye, Unity." And they flew away. So there were 3. Take away 2. Now how many are left? 1. There's 1 butterfly left. So I want you to practice telling some stories, make different scenarios, families. I'm talking to y'all. I know they don't know the word scenarios. So we want to practice using our little butterflies. Don't make more than 6, okay? We want to add to, take away, put together, 1 less, 1 more. Those are the words that we're using, okay? So we write that down. 1 more, 1 less, all together. Okay. 1 more, 1 less, all together. Those are words that I want you to be using. Okay. So if we put 1 more, if 1 goes away, that's 1 less. How many is that? Then all together, how many are there? Okay, families. So be sure and use those words today. It will increase, it will decrease, okay? Because we want to practice counting and looking at the numbers. Now, please remember that we want to get on Math Shelf. We got to do Math Shelf. Then send me a video of you doing this activity. Don't forget to count to 23 times, okay? Okay, guys, make it a great day. Bye.